Isang makasaysayang araw dahil ginugunita natin ngayon ang araw ng kalayaan ng ating lahi.
In everything you do, put God first and He will crown your efforts with success. Kaya yan, kalayaan na yan, gamitin natin sa tama, sa matuwid. Dahil minsan lang tayo bibigyan ng buhay ng Panginoon.
Ako po ay nag-invest po dito sa Aquinas kasi nagustuhan ko po yung unit po nila. Actually, may mga bahay na rin po ako sa ibang developer pero mas nagustuhan ko po siya kaya nag-invest po ako dito sa inyo. Seller din po ako pero syempre gusto ko pong ipakita po sa mga soon na magiging buyer ko na ito pong property ito ay maganda kasi ako po sa akin, ako number 1 po na nag-invest.
To all our accredited licensed and brokers and buyers, partners, and the entire Aquinas family, good morning to all of you. As we gather today in celebration of Philippine Independence Day, our hearts are filled with gratitude. This occasion is not only a commemoration of our freedom, but also a meaningful opportunity to reflect on the blessings, partnerships, and achievements that have brought us to this important milestone.
Gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa ating Aquinas Mega Build Management to be standing here in front of you as the top real estate broker is such a huge honor po. First and foremost, I want to give all the glory and honor and praise to the Lord. To my J. Garcia Realty team, ulit, congratulations po sa atin. And let's continue to serve it in passion and dedication sa bawat client. Maraming salamat po ulit for this award. Thank you and good morning.
Let's just run. We've only just begun. So let's just run. Our time has finally come. So let's just run.
One of the smallest developer we're just starting, but our dream is a big dream. A big dream with quality and good relationship with our brokers and buyers, and after sales is so important. Let us look forward to the successful completion of Phase 1 of Aquinas Residences and the many milestones yet to come. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang Aquinas Residences, mabuhay ang Pilipinas, and God bless us continuously.
Every reservation made, every referral shared, every client served, and every investment entrusted to us has contributed to our success. We look forward to reaching even greater milestones with your continued partnership. Thank you for your trust in Aquinas Residences. May we all continue to prosper and succeed together.